let's talk about different types of statistical models in data science. There are various types of statistical models used in data analysis and modeling. These models differ in their assumptions, even in their structure and application. Here are some common types of statistical models. These are the common ones that we use when it comes to data analysis, data science. One is linear regression. Now, linear regression models usually models the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables using a linear equation. It assumes a linear relationship between the variables. That is the assumption behind linear regression, and estimate the coefficients that minimize the sum of square errors. You have to take note of that. Another statistical model is logistic regression. We use logistic regression when the dependent variable is binary or categorical. Now, it models the probability of a binary outcome using a logistic function, allowing for the estimation of odds, odd ratios, and probabilities. Another is time series analysis. So, time series analysis models, that's another model. So, time series analysis time series analysis models data. It models data point collected over time to understand patterns, even trends, and dependencies. Your time series analysis involves techniques such as autoregressive integrated moving average, known as ARIMA models. So you can use ARIMA models, AMA models, exponential smoothing, and state space models for your time series analysis. Another model is GLM. Now, GLM means generalized linear model. The extend linear regression. This is an extension of linear regression by accommodating non-normal and non-linear response variables. So if your response variables are non-normal or they are non-linear, then you can use these generalized linear models. They use a link function to relate the linear predictor to the response variable, allowing for different probability distribution, like Poisson probability distribution, gamma, and non-linear relationships. Another model is Bayesian model. Bayesian models incorporate prior knowledge or beliefs about the parameters into the modeling process. They provide posterior distributions of the parameters based on the data and prior information, allowing for uncertainty quantification. Another model is decision tree. Decision trees use a tree-like tree to make decisions or predictions. You know the structure of a tree based on input features. They recursively split the database based on feature, your feature values, and assign outcomes to terminal nodes.